Saan ka palang mag-memorize?
Oo, yeah. Paulit-ulit. Let's go. May magpipick up niyan, no? Yeah, di ba, inan niya? Okay, say goodbye to Washington DC. Today is our last day. Milken Center for advancing the American dream. Oh, go. Now go. Beep, beep. Sir, we're back. We're back again. We will check. We're back. Do you have any more of this size? No more. I will buy a friend of mine and my son. Yeah, the same. Is that the same? No.
Yeah.
Even if the price is the same, it's okay. Oh, this one is good. That's for a kid or what? Okay.
This one. Same thing.
The same. Oh yeah. Kami mamili ka sa anak mo.
But this is for
Yeah, for John.
for kid by though?
Yeah, that's the same.
No, I want the same as you, darling.
Yeah, that's the same. Look. See? This one for Pahe. Yeah.
This one is different.
Yeah, that's different. Look. Look at the
Okay.
side. That's the side. Yeah. Oh naman ako. That's already.
Magkano price
It's already
ito?
$15.
Maliit ito dayo.
This is very small, sir.
Yeah,
Is that the
for
same?
kid nga yan eh.
Ay, that's for kid.
Same size. No,
Same
it's not.
size?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Because my son head is
Big. Oh, the same.
the same. You have to adjust me. Okay. Oh, get t-shirt me for my son. Yeah, put it here. 2, okay.
Oh. Bakit dalawa sa'yo?
Kay Pahi.
Oh, tapos yung isa.
Kay John Paul. Ay mo kay John Paul?
Oh, kung kopya lang kay John Paul.
Yeah,
Hindi
just
na ako
oh yeah, okay. So okay.
Oh,
2.
ano? 20.
Oh, kasi si John Paul nagsusuot ng ano eh.
So, ganun pa
Yeah,
lang
ganun
size?
din, yeah. Ganda, no? Wow. Wow. Give that to him. Wow. Me, I want to buy you too. Yeah. You don't want? Okay. So just 2 for how much?
20.
20. Oh.
Je sais pas, je connais pas le prix.
This is my last money. This is my last money. Oh. Give me $80. T-shirt may wala? Ayaw mo ng t-shirt sa dyan, kay John Paul?
Bibili ako ng isang item lang.
Oh yeah. My wife wants to buy another. Yeah, buy a nice t-shirt.
Ano yung kung kopya?
Yeah, okay. Okay, 60. 20 more. 80. Wow, thank you very much. Oh, good business. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
Vous avez fait une pizza?
Oh, come on.
Ah oui, on l'a fait.
Oh, cash money. What about this? Yeah.
How much for the hat?
Ayaw mami ng ano? T-shirt pa, oh. Oo na, magsisisi ka pag ano. How much t-shirt? Give us discount. Give us discount, that one t-shirt.
So is color 15.
Give me,
Color
oh,
$8.
give me discount. That's NCIS. That's for the, magbili ka ng ano may Washington DC.
Which one, sir?
Wow.
Okay.
Wow, American great again. Wow, that's good.
Un bag USB.
Uh-huh.
You have a bag?
Yeah.
Wow, that's good. American great again.